Hey there, how are you doing? Listen, are you ready to unlock YouTube success? Or explore the endless possibilities of a multi-topic channel? Join us as we unravel the secrets of YouTube success. Don't miss out. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. What's up? Today, we're diving into a topic that many aspiring YouTubers struggle with, and that is choosing between a niche channel and a channel with many topics or niches. We'll explore the pros and the cons of each approach to help you make an informed decision. So let's get started. A niche channel allows you to focus on a specific topic that you're passionate about. Whether it's cooking, it could be gaming, fitness, or just a niche channel that offers several advantages, okay? The first advantage is a targeted audience. So by catering to a niche, you can attract a dedicated audience that's genuinely interested in your content. So this can lead to higher engagement. You'll get loyal subscribers and more relevant content recommendations. And then 2, authority and expertise. Okay. When you display authority and expertise by focusing on a niche, it allows you to establish yourself as an authority or an expert in that particular field. And what this does is this can enhance your credibility, attract collaborations, and provide opportunities for partnerships. You'll have less competition. In some niches, competition may be relatively lower compared to having broader topics, okay? So it might be easier to stand out and gain visibility in a specific niche. Hello, and welcome to the Live Better channel on YouTube. My name is 𝙑𝙤𝙖 and I feel really excited to have you here with me today. Thanks for tuning in. So what I'm doing is providing you with information on the difference between having a niche channel and talking about many topics. A channel with many topics, trying to think of what I was about to say. Oh, a channel with many topics. Now let's explore the other side of the coin, which is a channel with many topics or a niche. Okay. Now this approach offers a different set of advantages. Okay. So 1, you're going to get a broader audience appeal. And got a message coming in. By covering multiple topics, you have the potential to attract a wider audience base. And this can lead to increased viewership, higher subscriber counts, and more opportunities for collaborations or sponsorships again. And then second, there's going to be creative freedom involved. All right. And a multi-topic channel actually allows you to explore different subjects, experiment with various content formats, and adapt to changing trends. And this can actually keep your channel fresh and prevent monotony. Personal expression is another reason. And if you have diverse interests and passions, a multi-topic channel will provide an outlet to express yourself and share your knowledge or experiences across different areas. And then, let me see what else. Both approaches will have their merits, okay? There are some considerations to keep in mind. 1, audience size and engagement. A niche channel may have a smaller potential audience, but with higher engagement, okay? A multi-topic channel, on the other hand, offers a broader audience appeal, but it may have like fragmented engagement. 2, content organization. Now, with content organization, regardless of your choice, it's really important to establish clear categories or playlists to help your viewers navigate your channel easily and find the content that interests them. So you'll see that when you upload your video. So ultimately, if you're a small YouTuber looking for ways to grow your channel, here's a few more tips to help you get started. In the vast and competitive world of YouTube, growing your channel and reaching milestones like getting 1,000 subscribers may seem like a really daunting and far-fetched task. However, with the right strategies and consistent effort, you can expedite your channel's growth and achieve that coveted subscriber count faster than what you might think. So what I want to do is explore some quick and effective techniques that can help you accelerate your journey to the 1,000 subscribers on YouTube if you haven't reached that milestone yet. The first thing that you want to do is define your target audience, okay? And what that means is you just simply determine who your content is intended for, who are you talking to, and what interests and needs do they have, right? This will allow you to actually tailor your content to resonate with those ideal viewers and increase the likelihood of gaining loyal subscribers who are genuinely interested in your channel. 2, optimize your channel. To attract viewers and subscribers, you want to optimize your YouTube channel to make it more discoverable. Okay, so you actually just want to pay attention to the following aspects. You want to pay attention, you want to pay attention to the channel keywords. You want to always include relevant keywords in your channel name. You want to put them in the description and tags to improve your search rankings and help your video actually get found. Because even when someone does a search on Google, your video may pop up as an option for them to view or watch. Now, engaging channel trailer is another option. You can create a captivating trailer that introduces your content and entices new viewers to subscribe to your channel. Eye-catching channel banners and thumbnails is always important. So what you want to do is design visually appealing graphics that reflect your brand and make your channel stand out. And the third thing is you want to have consistent and high quality content. Creating compelling and high quality content is essential to attract and retain your subscribers. Okay, follow these guidelines. Upload frequency, consistency is key. Okay, there are going to be times you don't want to do it, but you have to be consistent. Like, set a regular upload schedule that you can commit to, whether it's once a week or even multiple times a week. And vidIQ is a great app to get started on a posting schedule, and they'll help you figure that out. You want to make engaging content and produce content that offers value, entertains, educates, or solves a problem for your target audience. Okay. And so basically you hook viewers in the first few seconds to keep them engaged. Okay. You may be thinking, well, I'm new. How do I do that? Right? Well, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some bonus tips to help you get an idea of how to hook viewers in the first few seconds of your YouTube video and keep them engaged. What you're gonna do is you're gonna start with a compelling hook. Begin your video with like a captivating hook that immediately grabs the viewer's attention. And okay, for example, you can pose a thought-provoking question. Start out with a question that piques curiosity and makes the viewer eager to find the answer, which should be found in your video. And then, or you can use like a surprising statement. Begin your statement with a surprising fact or a statistic that challenges common beliefs or expectations. You can also share a personal anecdote. You want to engage viewers by sharing a relatable or an intriguing personal story that sets the tone for your video. You want to utilize a teaser or suspenseful intros. You can create a short teaser clip or an intro that leaves the viewer wanting more and makes them feel curious about what's to come. Or you can show visuals and dynamic editing skills, okay? You can incorporate visually engaging elements right from the start. And you do this by using dynamic editing techniques such as quick cuts, visual effects, or motion graphics to add excitement and energy to your video. This helps ensure, this helps to capture attention and maintain your viewers' interest. Okay. Third, you want to state a value proposition. Clearly communicate the value or benefit viewers will gain from watching your video. You can also address their pain points or interests upfront and explain how your video will provide them with valuable information, entertainment, or solutions. Another thing you could do is keep your introductions brief. I cannot stress this enough. You want to avoid lengthy introductions that may bore your viewers or cause them to lose interest. And once that happens, they're going to do what? Click out of your video. You want to get straight to the point and just dive into the main content of your video as soon as possible. Save any detailed introductions or personal greetings for later on in the video. So now you want to use captions or text overlays. Consider adding captions or text overlays to your video's initial moments. Okay, that makes the video more interesting. This allows viewers to quickly, grasp the main idea or topic you'll be covering, even if they are watching without sound. Okay, some people watch videos with no sound. Visual cues can be powerful in capturing attention and conveying key information. So always keep that in mind. You also want to use energetic and enthusiastic delivery. This is because your energy and enthusiasm play a vital role in engaging your viewers, okay? So you want to maintain a positive and energetic tone throughout your video, as you know, this can be contagious and it keeps your viewers engaged, okay? You also want to display genuine passion for your topic and let your personality shine. And you also want to promise action or results. Now, make a promise to your viewers early on, okay? Explain how your video will provide actionable steps, valuable insights, or just tangible results that will benefit them. Why? Is because this creates anticipation and it motivates your viewers to continue watching to receive the promised value. Just remember, once you've done this, just remember the first few seconds of your YouTube video are crucial for capturing and retaining your viewers' attention. So what you want to do is just go ahead and experiment with different hooks and techniques to see what resonates best with your target audience, and this is going to take some practice. So combine engaging visuals, concise introductions, and a clear value proposition to create a compelling opening that hooks your viewers and encourages them to watch your entire video. And you also want to get that production value. So invest in decent equipment as you go and improve your video and audio quality, okay? You want to always ensure good lighting, clear audio, make sure that you can be heard clearly. You want to have smooth editing to enhance the viewing experience. So collaborate with others as well. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can be a very powerful strategy to expand your reach, okay? So make videos that are good. Seek out opportunities for collaboration, such as guest appearances. You can do interviews or co-create content with another YouTuber. Or hopefully they find your videos and reach out to you. Collaborating exposes you to new audience and can result in cross promotion, which will help you gain subscribers quicker, okay? And then you leverage your social media platforms and your online communities, okay? And you do this by promoting your YouTube channel on social media, all your social media platforms, and relevant online communities that you're a part of. Any groups that you're in, you want to promote your videos. Engage with your target audience by sharing little snippets of your content, behind the scenes footage, or teasers. And then also participate in discussions and forums that are related to your niche. Provide valuable insights and link back to your channel whenever it's appropriate. Okay. Also engage with your audience as much as you can. And you do this when you engage with your audience, you're building a community around your channel, and that's essential for growth. What you want to do is respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your viewers just to foster engagement and loyalty. Engaging with your audience makes them feel valued and encourages them to go ahead and subscribe to your channel and become active participants in your channel's growth. Optimize your video for SEO, and SEO is search engine optimization. Implementing basic SEO or search engine optimization practices can really help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results. So you do this by conducting keyword researches to identify regular and popular search terms. Then you're going to optimize your video titles, the descriptions, and the tags accordingly. What this actually does, this increases the chances of your content being discovered by users searching for related topics, okay? And then you want to promote subscriber engagement. Now, encourage your viewers to subscribe to your channel by explicitly asking them to do it. ask them to do so in your video. Just say, please subscribe to my channel. Remind them of the benefits that they'll receive by subscribing to your channel, such as early access to content, exclusive giveaways if you're having those, or joining a community of like-minded individuals. Okay, so that's about all I have, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Growing your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers requires a combination of strategic planning, consistent effort, and engaging content. Okay, by defining your target audience, optimizing your channel, creating high quality content, and basically collaborating with others, you'll start to, over time, see your channel begin to grow. All right. So which path should you choose? Well, that, my friend, ultimately depends on your goals, your interests, and your target audience. As a recap, a niche channel allows for targeted growth and authority, while a channel with many topics offers broad appeal and creative freedom. So consider your long-term goals, content consistency, and potential audience size and engagement to make the best decision for your YouTube channel. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any uploads on this station. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you found this informative. Don't forget to share, and stay curious, stay inspired, and stay motivated. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, love and peace. Bye.